Good morning, it's Thursday the 30th of June and this is your daily outlook. The euro rallied after the Greek Parliament voted in favour of the new austerity package. Today we expect the second phase of the austerity vote to be completed, where the Parliament is expected to pass the legislation required to apply the new austerity plan. Even though investors expect today's vote to pass, it remains to be a crucial moment for Greece as well as the Eurozone, as failure to vote in favour of the plan may lead to a Greek default. The 5-year €78 billion austerity plan includes further tax hikes and deep spending cuts agreed by the EU and the IMF, which will secure a second round of financial aid for Greece. The single currency is also supported by interest rate hike expectations, as hawkish comments by ECB policymakers signalled a July rate hike. Investors expect Eurozone inflation data to be released today at 9 GMT, and higher than expected figures may provide further support for the single currency. Against the dollar, the euro climbed above the 145 level to reach 145.18 from 143.28. The US dollar is weaker against the basket of currencies today on an improved risk appetite in the market. Focus turns to initial jobless claims expected later today. Against the safe haven Japanese yen, the dollar dipped to 80.30 from 81.18. Against the Canadian dollar, the US dollar slid to a one-month low at 0.9667 from 0.9824 after the consumer price index surprised the market by showing higher than expected May figures. The Australian dollar firmed against the greenback as fears of a Greek default begin to ease. The pair hit a three-week high at 107.50, gaining 3.5% from the beginning of the week when it traded at 103.90. Sterling also rose, recovering from a 5-month low versus the dollar to trade at 161.18 from 159.70. Oil prices gained 3.6%, rising to $95.82 a barrel from $92.51. Gold rose to $1,514.06 an ounce from $1,559. Silver also ticked higher at $35.11 an ounce from $33.81. Now let's take a look at the currencies to watch out for. The euro-dollar pivot point is at 144.25, with a preference to enter into long positions at 144.25. The dollar-yen pivot point is at 80.70, with a preference to enter into short positions at 80.70. The Aussie dollar pivot point is at 105.50, with a preference to enter into long positions at 105.50. The sterling dollar pivot point is at 160.30, with a preference to enter into long positions at 160.30. And the dollar CAD pivot point is at 0.9720, with a preference to enter into short positions at 0.9720. Now let's have a look at commodities. The oil pivot point is at 94, with a preference to enter into long positions at 94. The gold pivot point is at 1503, with a preference to enter into long positions at 1503. And the silver pivot point is at 34.60, with a preference to enter into long positions at 34.60. And today's calendar and market movers are the Europe Consumer Price Index in June, which is forecast to gain 2.8%, US initial jobless claims forecast to fall to 420,000, and Canada Gross Domestic Product in April is forecast to fall 0.1%. Now on to equity markets. US equities were positive yesterday, with the SP 500 trading up 0.6% and the Dow was up 0.83%. European bourses were also positive, with the FTSE up 1.54%, the DAX was up 1.73% and the CAC was up 1.88%. At the time of writing, the Nikkei was up 0.25% and the Hang Seng was up 1.7%. This has been your Daily Outlook. I'm Emma Andre from the Easy Forex Dealing Room. Have a good day.
Not only have you found a great place for Forex news, you found a great place to trade it. Registration is easy. Just click Join Now. Membership has its unique benefits, such as the freeze rate, the trade simulator, the inside viewer, and personal dealers. Your personal account manager is waiting for you now.